Here are my assets. Now we will see the new texture function which has been improved in terms of resolution quality. This, as we saw previously, was the quad robot. In the story we have the quad generated, therefore low polygon count. We have some textures here. It says HD texture in the images, the elements that we went. To download into the quad we have seen that the properties in this case the 248 are okay, therefore. We are on this element, these are in PBR. Now let's go inside texture and tell them. Upscale textures. Which is this? Here if you remember we did a retopology. Upscale textures. Upscale now. So he on this type of character. It upscales me. Of textures. He tells me look. 78 seconds. 76 and so on. Running. And then gives you some information below of various nature regarding different options that are present within the program. And let's do the upscale. Then I finished upscaling. In history therefore we have texture scale and mesh modification, which would be the previous stages. So if I go from this stage, at this stage, I obviously see the difference regarding quality and texture resolution. The mesh has not been modified, so it's always the same. In the properties of ours you can do a cloning, things of this type can be done. Export to the properties, he calls it robot to me always two quads, in this case I will call it as upscale quad robot, so I'll give it another name. I could also practically make another one a copy. But I work on the same robot quad upscale export robot quad upscale pivot FBX export. There is a folder called for upscale quad robots. You see that the textures are not there in this one. Now I place the file, import file, OK, I position it where I want as I did with the other elements. We are directly here. In this case we are always on a quad subdivision because we have taken the character who had the subdivision into quads, and automatically you see that he creates this texture for me. This texture in this case is a unique texture, details properties 4096. If we want the texture regarding the PBR, we have to tell it generation PBR, so you see. That between one passage and another he sometimes deactivates the PBR. For example, he only does one. Texture regarding the diffusion channel, as we have seen, because what it did, it was a diffusion texture, and then it says okay, if I turn the PBR, redo the generation of the PBR, are 5 credits. For this reason I often say that I clone them elements in order to have the whole story, but in this case here it is we have the effect in PBR. Now let's see what happens when we export it again, which kept us there. Previous resolution, this calls it clone 1, so he made another. Folder called 5 upscale. Let's import this clone 1. Let's see how it behaves here. You see that I didn't put the base to pivot during the download, so he put the pivot in the center for me. No big deal. Let's go directly inside the folder to see how it behaves. In this case we have the various channels. We go to the properties, details 4096, so in this case it gives me the PBR and keeps it at 4096. Same thing as we did for the other elements that I saved there. In this case I've already sorted out the various textures and everything. So here, obviously we're in a very fast scan line here. We find the textures in a much higher resolution. The mesh is obviously a quad poly, but the textures in this case are in fork.